This video will show you how to sketch the graph involving unit step function. We have f of t equal to cosine t times u of t minus u of t minus pi. So what is u of t minus u of t minus pi? Recall that this is just like a filter, which is u of t minus 0 minus u of t minus pi. Since u of t is equal to u of t minus 0, and then this is a filter between 0 and pi. It means that this is equal to 1 if t is greater than or equal to 0, less than pi. Is it 0? Otherwise. Right? So this is u of t minus u of t minus pi. Now, if I multiply this by cosine of t, multiply this by cosine of t, we will get cosine t times 1, we get cosine t. For t between 0 and pi, cosine t times 0, I get 0 for otherwise. So how do we sketch the graph? Let's draw the axis first. I'm going to draw a cosine curve. So cosine curve, we know, look something like this. Let me set up the axis first. Let's say this is 1 and this is minus 1. So cosine curve looks something like this. At pi equal to get 0, then minus 1, and 3 pi equal to get 0, then 2 pi get 1, and continue with this. 5 pi equal to 0, 3 pi get minus 1, and I can continue this process. I get a typical cosine curve. And there is a graph of y equal cosine t. And I'm only interested in the portion for t between 0 and pi. Okay, so for t between 0 and pi, the only part that is relevant is this portion, 0, t equals 0, t equal to pi. Afterwards, and before that, all 0. That means that these are all 0 now. This is solid. It's open. Then all 0. So the red curve is the graph of ft, which is cosine t times ut minus ut minus pi.